ginuukwag na. Ginuukwag na. Ginuukwag na. Good morning, guys. What happening to you guys? Cellphone. What the heck? That's a dog.
So, kagabi, hindi ko alam nemo ka mong mga hagok.
Yeah. Sana.
You guys, kung gusto nyo pumunta sa para mag-breakfast, mag-ano kayo ng pajama at saka sweater.
Lamig. Pero ako sweater.
Okay,
Sobrang lamig.
Ha?
Sobrang lamig.
Good morning.
64 lang dito eh.
Into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up.
Good morning, guys. Tammy is making omelette and I'm making pancake. And Roxy is hungry and she need to eat something. She said it's 7 o'clock, Daddy. You ignore your own freaking daughter, Daddy. Daddy? Daddy, Daddy. Anyway, guys. So, lutuin lang namin ito kasi magkakain kami. Gusto ko sa sa labas kami kakain. She wants cereal?
What side?
I don't know. It's a blueberry with lemon lemon cluster. Lemon cluster.
Breakfast.
How about a cinnamon?
No.
No?
Tita.
So we're just gonna share this. You eat omelette?
Tita, look.
Wait.
Look
Omelette.
here.
Omelette.
Mayan, look. Look kayo rito. 1, 2. Asan na si Mary? 1, 2, 3.
Ay naku, ayaw niyang cereal kasi what kind? Ay naku, what kind na.
I'm a picky eater.
Okay, so omelette. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Kang Ari.
How about you, Tommy? Chinas.
Han.
Chinas.
Well, I smoked over here.
Oh, okay. What?
Ano daw?
Someone's company.
She's acting like a person looking at the fruit. Huh?
Taking off the roof.
Oh.
Saan, saan?
Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Very Filipino talaga kasi ayaw nila kumain yung dalawa na lang.
First time itong coffee na ganito kalaki. Maliit lang yung cup ko.
Ay, yung cup ko malaki din.
Ayaw ko. Ayaw kinuukungan ko.
Di ba maganda siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Maganda si Now. Ano ba pang winter yung picture niya. Tignan niyo yung si Karen busy. Si busy. Uy, ang hangin na. Ay, ginaw. Ay.
Nawala yung photos ko!
Mamukas na takay. Mamuko na tayo ito. Maun po.
Papatayin kita.
Momo po. She want to get some pearl.
Nawala na naman.
Okay. Tapos na kayo?
Ang ganda namin. Tungan mo.
Oh.
Alin yan? Oo, gusto ko yan.
Han, just sit down, Han. No, sit down over there.
Ay, sit. Ay, wala kayo. Wala kayo.
Tignan mo yun guys. O, nagtingin picture yun. Para, oh, ginoo, huwag lang ganyan.
Skura mo nga.
Na video na yan. Na video na. Na video na. So, ganda doon taking picture of my color.
Hindi, siya muna.
Ay, one.
Doon na kayo. Ayun, siya ka lang. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw. Dito, oh. Tingnan mo ako dito tayo.
Tignan mo guys. Tignan nyo kung paano ito mag behind the scene, oh. Tignan nyo ito. Oh, ginoo ko. Tignan na. Behind the scene, guys. Behind the scene, guys. Tignan nyo.
Isa pa. Tanggalin mo na lang.
Huy, Car, maganda doon.
Oo nga eh.
Yung sa tree. Tignan nyo behind the scene, guys. Tignan nyo yan. Kung paano to mga Pilipino mag-picture. tignan nyo, guys. Basa yung ano mo.
Uy. Sa buwak.
Sa buwak yan.
O, mag-jump shot ka doon.
Okay, Rem. So, doon ka, Rem. Take picture of you, Rem. Rem, doon ka. Sige. Sige, go. 1. Dito ako, ha? Dito ako. Okay, sige, go. Okay, go. Nice, Rem. Mas nindot diha, Rem, oh. Okay, ganyan. Ganyan.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Tignan mo yun, guys. Okay. Tapos na, guys. Tapos. May poison ivy dun, guys. There's a poison ivy over there. And, hey, tell your daughter not to touch the poison ivy. Oh, masakit yan gunitan. Dili na, ganyan lang. Itrim-trim lang, palingin-linginon ba. Alis ka nga. Kunan mo. Tingnan niyo guys. Alam mo ide. Nangingit na. Naglilim. May nalim. Ay, nalibang.
Isa pa.
Oh my God, sumakit.
Okay.
I'm gonna go inside.
Tignan niyo. Anong kakainin natin lunch?
Butong po.
But before kayo, meron pa mga isda doon. Saka yun na lang bahin-bahinin natin. Come here.
Maganda yan, oh. I'm trying. Kung sino mag-contest ng lulutan mo.
Iwan ko nga kayo habang para kayong ano dyan. Nakahilgo.
Okay na, pick it up. There's the bag here. There's...
Ba't ito
What?
lang? Dali, Ping.
Tignan nyo guys.
We're speaking.
Yeah?
Like a voice I never felt before. Painted footsteps show the way. We will all get there one day. One day.
Okay guys, we are going to the bridge. Okay, na may seatbelt kayo?
Oh, sorry. Nagli-lipstick pa nga eh.
Okay, go na.
Go, go, go.
Pati doon ako magwiwi kayo.
We're gonna get a ride.
Okay guys, we are walking to the bridge.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Yung bahay doon, maganda. Alam nyo, mahal yan kasi malapit sa tubig. Okay guys, you know what? We cannot go to the whole bridge, where we can't walk the, the entire bridge. So we're just going back to the car and drive back to New Rochelle. Right? I'm going to drop this giguahons. Look at this giguahons right here. I cook kigwa, you know.
Boy, don't maniwala her. Don't maniwala her. Give me a quarter.
Beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Be careful ha. Uy, salamat. Kunin mo yung gamit ninyo. Uy, ano yung jacket mo? Ay, ayaw magbukas. Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Ah, okay. I got home just now. And Tommy, this is for like a top camping color. Tapos na.
What are you guys doing?
Mag-ano lang ako, mix salad. Ano lang? Hi guys. I'm sleeping. I want to change car with him, but he doesn't want to. I don't know what's wrong with him, guys. He doesn't wanna change car with me.
Huh?
You're not changing car with me. There's the food over here, okay? There's pie over here.
Hi, huh? Really?
Apple
Seriously?
pie. Maybe Justin, mom, would want it, you know?
Yeah, that's what he did.
Oh my God! Ay, nako. Hi guys! They left already. They left, I think, an hour ago. Pag ginaw-ginaw na sa labas, guys. It's kind of chilly outside already. But come here, Misty. Do you wanna go out? Come here. Let's go. What is it, Rox? Come here. Come here, baby. Ito yung ginawa, guys. Pagkatapos nilang umalis. Ito. Transfer ko lang itong ano to. At saka yun, lumalaki na yung ano, guys, oh. Roxy! Roxy! Yung pineapple, guys. I planted the pineapple. At saka lumalaki na yung ano. That's getting bigger, the basil. Roxy! In! Okay, kailangan ko pang mag-edit ng video, guys. When I was driving back here, guys, pagkatapos, after dropping them off, what happened was, I kinda lonely. I decided not to vlog. I kinda take all my feelings, just, you know. Nagmuni-muni lang ako nag-drive, I listen music. I was really lonely when I was driving back home, and after dropping my friends off from, you know, from here to train station. Nakakaloka, guys. Sobrang guol talaga ako, guys. Ano ba? Nasasad talaga ako. Ngayon, iniwan nila ako. At saka ngayon, iniwan ako ng asawa ko. Pumunta sila sa isang bahay. Ano yung feeling ba?
Huh?
The feeling of... Hey! Something. Yeah, so I'm going to end this vlog, and I always thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry lately I haven't really, you know, see by properly into my vlog, but anyway, guys, tonight, not today, I'm gonna end this vlog properly. And thank you all guys so much for watching. I was having fun yesterday. We did karaoke. Today we were having fun, but in the end of the day, I was down. I'm down right now because they all like left me, just me and the dog and the cat. And Roxy's tired because she been like running around playing with us. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you guys. Itchy eyes, but itchy butter. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. And also, please hit thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you. I appreciate it so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Yay!